So here we have a honeybee hive. It's in the ceiling, theoretically, of this house, going in the siding. I treated it, and I don't know if you can see the thousands of bees that are coming out. Try to get closer and see if you can hear them. Hopefully you can hear that buzzing. So they're getting in up over the top of this brick wall. They're either going to be right on top of the wall, the hive, or possibly going back into the ceiling. We're going to have to pull off a course or two of this aluminum siding, which is never easy to do. Normally we do these at night, but with it chilly today in the 40s, they were not active at all when I arrived. Clearly, after spraying the gas, they are falling out, dying. Really none flying around, so that's a good thing. Will benefit us doing the removal once the bees are all deceased. Generally speaking, we're against the killing of honeybees, but once they enter a structure, there's not a whole lot we can do to get that hive out. And regardless of what we have to do to get it out is what we will do, including if we have to cut through their ceiling inside the house. But we're going to see what we can do from the outside. Steve will be here shortly, so I thought I'd get started and get it treated before he arrives, so we're not both standing around waiting for bees to die. If you can see all those that are on that ledge and down on the ground, and they're raining down on us now. I chose not to wear a bee suit. In fact, you can see me just wearing a sweatshirt due to the cold temperatures. We'll see if that has to change as it goes. The crow's not happy with us for some reason. So anyway, I'll probably spray it a couple more times, and then we'll figure out how to get that siding off without ruining it. It's aluminum. It's definitely not going to be easy. Out for now. Alright, so that's what it looks like opened up. Once we opened up, live bees started flying out again. They're kind of a little pissed off too. Seem to get a little control over that bunch. So this one's coming out nice and clean. I'm speaking to the camera. I'm reiterating. I'm narrating.
Gotcha. Did you get the sound of the buzzing?
Yeah, hopefully there's a leaf blower going at the same time, so there could be a confusion factor.
They're trying to outlaw that in California. They say it's too noisy and you can do the same with a rake.
Yeah, well, I like my leaf blower. It's a lot less work and I get no calluses. Takes long and it ruins your hearing, but maybe put timing on it where you can only do it from this time to this time.
That's right.
So it appears to be a lot less honey than normal, probably due to the fact that they've been eating it all winter long. Those are brood cells. Those hatch into more bees.
So we're getting to the royal honey back here. Royal jelly.
Somebody came home while I've been here. That car wasn't in the driveway when I got here.
I think that's her, but I'm not sure.
I think she'd be interested enough to come out and check it out.
Hi, like they're more scared than anything. Last one.
Just try to scrape it best you can without stabbing yourself.
I always meant to try his Goo Gone.